underneath there's the dance floor. Now we're coming to the site where he is installing a lot of the masks that he did. I don't know how long it's taking for him to do this, but it's a couple years. And so these are going to be buried in this location. And this is a very ceremonial. It has a lot of, it is done in a circle with the intention of putting everything very aesthetically, looking nice, thinking about, you know, how it's gonna look in the future. And this, the center, he burned some wood and charcoal. So this is gonna be a carbon dated site. So in the future, they will know exactly the date this site was done. You know, so there's a lot of thought behind it, and I am very happy to be part of it. In a moment, I'm gonna be placing masks that I did last year from the beginning of the COVID, and also some leaves that I made as well. So honored to be part of this project, to be considered to be in this project by Mr. Warren Sherrick. All right, so these are some of the masks that I brought in for this project. Now that I can think of, I don't know if I took pictures of them. Let me go ahead and record them. This is one of the most recent. Actually, this one I did it this year for the series of 100 masks. Some of these masks are very very funny. I had the opportunity to play with clay and so this was one of the Alien series, and showing there how much fun I was having. That was supposed to be a techno gorilla. I don't know if you see the gorilla. This right here is like somebody screaming with lips and two faces and little ornaments. The yucca, which is very popular here in our community in the desert, in the Mojave Desert. And this year, hopefully gonna be able to go and take some good pictures of them. And then a Joshua tree, which I really love. And there's a I call it La Virgen de Guadalupe, but it's a virgin image there, encrusted there. And there's other pieces experimenting with paint and clay. And one is a very